The toys our kids are playing with in this modern day aren't just plastic and batteries anymore. They're smart, they're interactive, and some can even teach your child to code. Whether you're looking for a new robotic best friend or a tool to jumpstart a career in STEM, the options are more advanced than ever. Today, we're looking at 5 smart robot toys you can actually buy right now that will blow your kids' minds. Links to all of these robots are in the description below. Let's meet your child's new favorite companion. First up, if your kids are begging for a pet but you aren't ready for the mess, meet the SONOMO remote control robot dog. Priced at $54.99, this is the perfect entry-level robot for kids aged 3 to 8. It acts just like a real dog. It can sit, lie down, do handstands, and even act spoiled when you pet its chin. The real smart feature is its programmability. Kids can record up to 100 commands in a row, teaching the dog a custom routine of stunts and dances. It's a fantastic way to introduce the concept of sequencing and logic while having a blast with a new robotic pup. If you're looking for something with a massive personality that fits right on a desk, you need to see Eilik. Priced at $139.99, Eilik is less of a tool and more of a living desktop pet. Eilik doesn't need Wi-Fi or an app is ready to play the second you turn him on. He is highly touch-sensitive. If you pet his head or belly, he reacts with a huge range of funny expressions and animations on his face. The coolest part? If you put 2 or more Eiliks together, they recognize each other and start chatting, playing games, and even having little robot parties. He's the perfect companion for a kid's workspace, or even an adult's office. Moving into true artificial intelligence, we have the Miko 3. Currently on a massive discount at $139, this is a deep learning AI companion designed for kids aged 5 to 10. Miko 3 is built to grow with your child. It uses AI to learn their preferences and moods, offering everything from STEAM-based games and puzzles to yoga and mindfulness activities. It even features a story maker, where kids co-create imaginative tales that become digital books. With built-in access to content from Disney and Paramount, Miko is more than a toy. It's a smart, supportive friend that helps build confidence and emotional intelligence. Next is a legend in the world of educational robotics, Dash. Priced at $149.99, Dash is the robot you'll likely see in classrooms because of how well it teaches coding. Dash is ready to go right out of the box and responds to your voice. Using 5 free apps, kids can move from simple path drawing to complex Blockly coding, making Dash sing, dance, and navigate obstacle courses. It's even Lego compatible, so your kids can build on top of it to turn Dash into a truck, an animal, or anything they can imagine. It's the perfect bridge between play and serious computer science. Finally, for the older kids who want to know how robots actually work, we have the Makeblock MBot 2. Priced at $115.99, this is a true engineering kit for ages 8 to 12. The MBot 2 is a hands-on experience. Kids actually build the aluminum-framed robot themselves in about 30 minutes. Once it's built, it's a powerhouse. It supports both Scratch and Python programming, meaning it grows with your child as they move into professional coding. With over 10 built-in sensors and CyberPi technology, it can perform tasks like line following and voice control. If your child is a future engineer, this is the ultimate gift. From the simple fun of a robotic puppy to the advanced AI of Miko and the coding power of the MBot 2, these robots are proof that the future of play is here. There is something on this list for every age and interest. If you saw a robot today that would be perfect for your little one, let me know which one in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and toy deep dives. Click the video on your screen now to see the top 10 best laptops for students to help with those coding projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.